Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Market Meridian. In today's video, we will discuss the latest auto sales data released by major automobile companies. The numbers are very encouraging, with most companies reporting strong double-digit growth across domestic sales, exports, commercial vehicles, electric vehicles and tractors. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's begin with Tata Motors passenger vehicles. The company delivered an outstanding performance in July. Domestic passenger vehicle sales increased by 58% year-on-year, while exports surged by an impressive 76% year-on-year. As a result, total passenger vehicle sales recorded a massive 59% year-on-year growth. The biggest highlight was the electric vehicle segment, where total EV sales skyrocketed by 114% year-on-year, indicating very strong demand for Tata's electric portfolio. Now let's move to Tata Motors commercial vehicles. Domestic commercial vehicle sales grew 28% year-on-year, while exports and international market dispatches surged 128% year-on-year. Heavy commercial vehicle truck sales increased 33%, small commercial vehicle cargo and pickup sales climbed 30%, intermediate, light and medium commercial vehicle truck sales rose 20%, and passenger carrier sales grew 25%. Overall, Tata Motors commercial vehicles delivered a strong 37% year-on-year growth. Next is Mahindra and Mahindra. The company reported another strong month. Domestic utility vehicle sales increased 20% year-on-year, while total automobile exports jumped 47%. Light commercial vehicles below 3.5 tons registered growth of 21 to 23%, while three-wheeler sales, including electric three-wheelers, surged 53% year-on-year. Coming to the farm equipment business, Mahindra sold 32,643 tractors in the domestic market, registering 21% year-on-year growth, including exports of 1,777 tractors. Total tractor volumes reached 34,420 units, up 20% year-on-year. The combined trucks and buses business also delivered a healthy 19% year-on-year increase. Next comes Ashok Leyland. Total domestic sales increased 33% year-on-year. Medium and heavy commercial vehicle truck sales jumped 47%, while light commercial vehicle sales climbed 32% year-on-year. For the current financial year up to July 2026, cumulative vehicle sales have increased 15% year-on-year. Overall, combining domestic sales and exports, Ashok Leyland reported an impressive 30% year-on-year growth. Now let's talk about Maruti Suzuki. The company achieved a historic milestone. Total domestic sales, including passenger vehicles and super carry light commercial vehicles, reached an all-time high with 44.4% year-on-year growth. Moving on to Bajaj Auto. Domestic dispatches increased 20% year-on-year, while exports jumped 39%. Total two-wheeler sales climbed 31%, and commercial vehicle sales grew 23%. Domestic commercial vehicle sales increased 24%, while commercial vehicle exports expanded 22%. Overall, Bajaj Auto reported an excellent 30% year-on-year growth in total sales. Now let's look at Eicher Motors commercial vehicles. Domestic sales of Eicher trucks and buses increased 18.2% year-on-year. Light and medium duty truck sales surged 28.9%, while heavy duty truck sales grew 13.2%. Volvo trucks and buses sales also increased 12%. The only weak area was exports, which declined 11.3% year-on-year to 470 units. However, despite weaker exports, total commercial vehicle sales still registered a healthy 15.8% year-on-year growth. Now coming to Royal Enfield. Domestic motorcycle sales surged 38% year-on-year. Motorcycles up to 350cc, including electric motorcycles, also grew 38%, while motorcycles above 350cc increased 10%. International exports rose 10%. Overall, Royal Enfield sold 118,232 motorcycles during July 2026, representing an impressive 34% year-on-year growth. Now let's look at some important updates from Royal Enfield. The company is investing 1,225 crore rupees in the first phase of a new greenfield manufacturing plant in Andhra Pradesh. This facility will add 4.5 lakh units of annual production capacity by FY 2030. Royal Enfield is also opening 10 new retail outlets in Bengaluru to strengthen sales and service for its first electric motorcycle, the Flying Flea C6. The company has upgraded the classic 350 with an assist and slipper clutch, along with USB Type-C fast charging. Another interesting update is that the Shotgun 650X Roughcrafts Custom Edition, limited to just 100 units globally, sold out all 25 India-allocated motorcycles in only 3 minutes. Next is Hero MotoCorp. Domestic sales increased 21.6% year-on-year. Motorcycle dispatches grew 17%, scooter dispatches jumped 32%, while export dispatches reached 32,013 units. Overall monthly sales increased 19% year-on-year. Now coming to Hero's electric vehicle business. VIDA dispatched 22,714 electric vehicles during July. The company also entered the Nepal market, refreshed its brand identity to VOOM and launched a new 4.4 kWh battery variant. Hero further expanded globally by entering Ecuador and Germany, with Germany becoming its 53rd international market. The company also laid the foundation stone for its second global parts center in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, to strengthen spare parts logistics and support future EV manufacturing. Now let's move to TVS Motor. The company delivered one of the strongest performances this month. Total two-wheeler dispatches increased 38% year-on-year. Electric two-wheeler sales witnessed exceptional growth of 158% year-on-year. Exports increased 29%, while three-wheeler sales climbed 51%. Overall, TVS Motor sold 6,29,675 vehicles during July 2026, representing 38% year-on-year growth. Finally, let's talk about Escorts Kubota. Domestic tractor sales jumped 23.7% year-on-year. Tractor exports reached 537 units, increasing 1.3% year-on-year. During the April to July 2026 period, total tractor volumes registered a healthy 20.8% year-on-year growth. The company also highlighted that improved rainfall during July reduced monsoon deficits and accelerated Kharif sowing, resulting in stronger rural demand and improved farming sentiment. Overall, total tractor dispatches increased 22% year-on-year. Overall, the latest auto sales numbers paint a very positive picture for the Indian automobile industry. Most companies have reported strong double-digit growth across passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, exports, electric vehicles, and tractors. These numbers indicate that consumer demand remains strong and could provide positive support to auto stocks in the coming trading sessions. So that's all for today's video, guys. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Stock Market Meridian for daily stock market updates, pre-market reports, post-market analysis, company results, and the latest market news. I will see you again tomorrow morning with another detailed pre-market report before the market opens. Until then, thank you for watching. Signing off, Jai Hind.